Alright, today we're going to be talking about scientific notation. This is digit 6.2. If you remember, the previous lesson was an introduction into scientific notation where you were looking to determine which numbers were written in scientific notation. Today we are going to take large numbers written in scientific notation and write them in standard form and vice versa. So this is digit 6.2. Alright, follow along with your notes as we go throughout this lesson. How do you write large numbers in scientific notation? The first step is to move the decimal to the left to create a new number that is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. You determine the exponent, which is the number of times that you move the decimal, and then you put the number in correct scientific notation. So if you look at our example, we begin with 384,000. We're going to move our decimal to the left and we're going to place it between 3 and the 8 because remember we need a number that is greater than 1 but less than 10. So that would be 3.84. If we count our decimal places, we moved our decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So that means our exponent will be 5 to use as our exponent of 10. So 384,000 written in scientific notation is 3.84 times 10 to the 5th power. Remember, when you have a number greater than 1 whole, you will have a positive exponent. Alright, so how do you write numbers that are in scientific notation back in standard form? If you have a positive exponent, you're going to move the decimal that number of places to the right and then insert zeros as necessary. So here we began in exponential form, 7.32 times 10 to the 6th power. This exponent of 6 tells us how many places to move our decimal to the right. So we're going to pick up our decimal, move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the right. We insert these zeros behind our 2, and that gives us in standard form 7,320,000. All right, let's look at the first example together. 1 astronomical unit is the average distance between Earth and the Sun. It is approximately 93 million miles. Express this distance in scientific notation. The first thing that we need to do is we need to take our 93 million miles and write that number in standard form. So we have 93 million and now we're going to write this number in standard form. When we don't see our decimal, it's located behind our last digit. In order to write this in scientific notation, the number that we multiply by the power of 10 must be greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. So we're going to have to place our decimal between the 9 and the 3. So that means we've moved our decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So that means our exponent will be 7. So in scientific notation, this would be 9 3/10 times 10 to the 7th power. Alright, try the next one on your own. Light travels at a constant speed of 186,000 miles per second. Express this number in scientific notation. Alright, so we have 186,000. Our decimal is located behind our last 0. To write this in scientific notation, we must move our decimal so we have a non-zero number to the left of our decimal. And so that means that we need a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So that means we have to put our decimal in between the the 1 and the 8. So that means we moved our decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So we're going to have an exponent of 5. So to write this in scientific notation, that would be 1 and 86/100 times 10 to the 5th power. All right, now we're going to practice taking a number that is written in scientific notation and writing it in standard form. Remember, the exponent tells you how many places to move your decimal. So if you look at this example, we have 10 as our exponent. So that means we're going to move our decimal 10 places to the right. So we have 1 and 37/100. We're going to pick up our decimal and move it 10 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place our decimal at the end. And then we're going to fill in with zeros. So that's 8 zeros that we're plugging in. Now I'm going to rewrite this in standard form. So I'm going to insert my commas. And that means that the estimated age of the universe is 13,700,000,000 years old. The moon is about 2.4 times 10 to the 5th power miles from Earth. Express this distance in standard form. Go ahead and pause the lesson, and I want you to write this last one in standard form. Remember, the exponent tells you how many places to move your decimal. All right, we began with 2 4/10. The exponent of 5 tells us that we're going to move our decimal 5 places to the right. So we pick up our decimal, we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the right, and then we can insert our comma to read our number in standard form. So 2.4 times 10 to the 5th power in scientific notation is 240,000 in standard form. The digits assignment that aligns with this lesson is digit 6.2. Also make sure that you're completing any IXL skills that you can find in your Google Classroom.